सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 131, 13th chapter, 14th shloka. विक्षेपो नास्ति तस्मान्मे न समाधिस्ततो मम. विक्षेपो वा समाधिर्वा मनसः स्याद्विकारिणः. From 12th shloka onwards up to 24th shloka, Shankaracharya talking about Nididhyasanam, how one has to perform Nididhyasanam as a part of Jnana Yoga. Jnana Yoga consisting of 3 stages: Shravanam, Mananam and Nididhyasanam. It is just like pouring sugar in the milk without stirring. You won't feel any sweetness. If you want to feel the sweetness in the milk, you have to stir, you have to move the milk with a spoon. Then you enjoy the sweetness. Similarly, however much you listen, the Shastra, Upanishads, Gita, etc., Vedantic scriptural texts from a teacher, however much teacher is great, however much you are attending regularly, but unless and until you do that Nididhyasanam, either Samadhi Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam or Brahma Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam, as we are seeing in the 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita Bhashyam, that Nididhyasanam is a compulsory sadhana for every sadhaka, seeker. So Nididhyasanam has to be done in this manner. You recollect your real nature. Remember your higher nature. Whatever you have understood through Mahavakya, that Vyavaharika, Ahankara, Mamakara, Ahankara all belong to this Vyavahara. No connection with Atman nature, which is Paramarthikam. Because we are doing Vyavahara with Anatma Prapancha, we lose sight of this Atman nature very easily. If we do that way, what happens? Again, samsara will come and attack us. Samsara means what? Dukkham. Dukkha comes, sorrow comes, insecurity in the form of insecurity, in the form of unhappiness. So many ways it comes. It is not necessary. That way you need not suffer. If you remember at least per day, you just remain in your real nature every day. Charge yourself before entering into the Vyavahara. Charge yourself just as you charge your cell phone. We are all charging many things nowadays. No? That inverter also charging, phone also charging, computer also, that UPS also charging. When everything is getting charged to give the benefit, what for this charging after all? Everything you are charging, battery charging, phone charging, everything means for the purpose, for the benefit only. Similarly, here also, you charge your mind. What mind? Which mind? A mind which has already focused to Vedanta. You have to charge your mind. Otherwise, the charge will be slowly become lesser and lesser and lesser. And Anatma Prapancha looks so big, so dominating, and comes and threatens you. Therefore, always daily charge yourself. So, Nididhyasana is a point where you can charge your mind. Now, Acharya is telling how to charge your mind. I will tell you. This samadhi abhyasa rupa, all these practices, controlling the mind, stopping the mind, all these things, how long you can do? You claim your real nature. I am Atma, I am Brahman, there is no vikshepa in me. There is no wandering nature, there is no restlessness in me, really speaking. Ahankara only has got all these problems. He says here, vikshepo va samadhirva vikshepaha nasti mama tasmat me samadhihi na asti mama na asti. Where there is vikshepa, distraction only, samadhi is required. Samadhi means what? Controlling the thoughts, making the mind one-pointed, thoughtless state, like let me not think now anything else, thoughtless state. Why I require that samadhi? Where there is vikshepa, samadhi is required. He says second reason why I don't require samadhi. Vikshepa means distraction. Vikshepaha nasti, there is no vikshepa in me. Tasmat me samadhihi nasti. Tataha. Vikshepo va samadhirva, they are required. Vikshepa is possible in the mind. Manasaha vikarinaha manasaha syat. Distraction can take place only in the mind, ahankara. Concentration, focusing, all the thoughts, one-pointed orientation, all possible in mind only, ahankara only. Since where doctor has to give medicine to a patient who is having that problem, that disease. If that problem, disease is not there, where is the necessity of prescription? So samadhi, prescription, absorption, prescription is required to sakshi chaitanyam or ahankara. Ahankara, that ahankara where it is in the mind. Mind is a locus. That ahankara where it is reflecting consciousness, reflected consciousness is there in the mind. And the mind alone has got vikara, modification. Mind alone is changing, and the changing mind is having vikshepa, distraction, extrovertedness. Vikshepa means extrovertedness. We are here but we don't hear. That is called vikshepa. We are in the class but mind goes somewhere else. That is called vikshepa. Now who needs samadhi abhyasa? This lower eye, ahankara, alone requires samadhi abhyasa. Because where the vikshepa is there, there alone samadhi is required. Since Sakshi Chaitanyam, I am Paramarthika Satyam, higher I, never have any vikshepa. So I don't require any samadhi abhyasa rupa nididhyasanam also. Samadhi is not required. I construct a samadhi to samadhi. Samadhi ki samadhi kattidume. In samadhi becomes irrelevant after some time. Even nididhyasanam is also only for some time, not lifelong. Once you become a jnana nishtaha, sthira prajnaha, there is no necessity of nididhyasanam. Pashyan shrunvan, sprishan jigran, ashnan gachan, swapan shwasan, pralapan visrajan grindhan unmishan nimishan api, naiva kinchit karomiti, yukto mannita tattvavid. I am Atma Swarupam all the time. I never lose sight of. That is my problem. That is my problem in the sense it's a blessing. I never lose sight of my real nature. I cannot lose sight of it. It is impossible for me. Yatra yatra mano yati tatra tatra samadhayaha. Wherever mind goes, there I am the Atman. There is no question of vikshepa. That is the mind problem. Therefore, mind only requires samadhi abhyasa. As long as your mind is extroverted, as long as your mind is not trained, or tamed, disciplined, restrained, until that time you require samadhi. That he is going to say in the next shloka. That we'll see. The samadhi, vikshepa, abhyasas are only for weak-minded people, not strong-minded people like you. Okay. Sometimes I exaggerate your qualifications. Don't take it as granted. Okay. You know how much you know. கொஞ்சம் ஐஸ் வைக்கணுமே அப்பப்போ என்கரேஜ் பண்ணணும் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இல்லையா, இல்லைன்னா ரொம்ப டிசப்பாயிண்ட் ஆகிடுவா. ஸோ சம்டைம்ஸ் ஐ ப்ரைஸ், sometimes no, you have to do sadhana, I say. Look into the 15th shloka. Amanaskasya suddhasya katham tatsyadvayam mama amanastva vikaritve videhavyapino mama. Just reading these shlokas itself sufficient to enjoy your real nature. Swamini, how to do nididhyasanam? If you have any doubt, you don't do anything, just read this shloka every day. Every day open this chapter and read the shlokas. Slokas difficult, Swamini. When you are reading, we are able to repeat, but I can't. That is why CD you can play. Whatever I have spoken, you can play that. Or you read the translation. If you don't understand the translation, you recollect my words. So Swamini has to be there in your mind, that words. At least yedo or vidhama. These are the beautiful verses. How Acharya is presenting. Look into the shloka. Tat dvayam mama katham syat. Tat dvayam vikshepa samadhi. Tad dvayam vikshepa samadhi. Both of them, dvayam, mama katham syat. How they can be there for me. Aidi Sakshi Chaitanyam. So when Acharya is saying how they can be there for me, katham mama syat, how they can be for me, and from which I standpoint we have to listen carefully. Acharya using that word, how they can be there for me, means from Sakshi Chaitanya's standpoint, how they can be there for me, not from Ahankara standpoint. That we have to note. The words you have to, you must assail enough to put the blocks. No? Ahankara block, aham block. Two blocks are there. No? Boxes like that you can block, no? Not negative sense. That is one block, house block, A block, B block, and children, and the block. Not a blocking, okay? Words have different meanings. That is the problem. So A block, B block, madri here, Sakshi Chaitanyam block and Ahankara block. When he says, how vikshepa samadhi there for me, when he says which block you have to put these words in, Sakshi Chaitanyam block. I am the Sakshi Chaitanyam, amanaskasya shuddhasya. How they can be there for me, who am amanaskaha. I don't have any mind. Mindless I am. I am mindless means from which standpoint? Who is talking? Ahankara only talking. Sakshi Chaitanyam can never say. Ahankara, lower I alone is talking. What type of Ahankara? Enlightened Ahankara. Apdi potukongo. Unintelligent Ahankara illa, enlightened Ahankara is claiming now its original nature is Sakshi Chaitanyam. It is voting for Sakshi Chaitanyam. Ahankara. Amanaskaha. Originally I am mindless. Amanaskaha. Therefore I am Shuddhaha. Shuddhasya. I am of the nature of pure consciousness. Shuddhaha. I cannot have any this type of raga, dvesha, kama, krodha. Any sort of attributes are not possible in me. Vikshepa is a type of distraction. Samadhi is a type of absorption. This absorption, distraction, all are not possible because I am mindless. And the absorption, distraction are possible on that block, on the veetla. Namma veetla illenna. I told you, 2 houses last week. House number 1, house number 2. A block is house number 1, Sakshi Chaitanyam. B block is house number 2, secondary illuminator. Primary illuminator is 1 block. This 1 block is 1 house. Sakshi Chaitanyam I am. Here there is no mind. There is no question of distraction. There is no question of absorption. Where is distraction? In this second block. Secondary illuminator. Ahankara, which has got a mind. In that mind there is a distraction. To that mind alone, where there is distraction, there alone samadhi is required. I am amanaskaha, therefore there is in my house there is no problem. இந்த 2 வீட்டில் ஒரு வீட்டில் தான் சண்டை நடக்கிறது, 2 வீட்டில் சண்டை இல்லை என்ன. அமனஸ்கா சுத்தஸ்ய. Therefore amanastvat, since I am mindless, amanastvat, avikaritve, I have no any vikara also, no change, no modification. Vikara rahitatvat, avikaritve sati. Not only that, videhatvam, videham vyapinaha. I am videhaha. I am bodiless. Shariratraya rahitaha. Simple, you can understand very, very easily. Videha rahitaha means sukshma sharira rahitaha, sthula sharira rahitaha, karana sharira rahitaha. I am free from all the 3 bodies. Therefore, videhaha. Once body is not there, I am what? All pervading. All pervading, not all pervading. I am all pervading. Vyapinaha. Mama. Vyapinaha videhaha. Vyapitaha. Amanaskatvat avikaritve mama katham syat dvayam vikshepa samadhyau. Both are not possible for me. Sometimes some people come to your house. என்ன வீடு இல்லைப்பா, அந்த பக்க வீட்டுக்கு போன்னு சொல்லும். ஏதாவது கம்ப்ளைண்ட் வந்தால் இவன் லெட்டர் ஆல்சோ ராங் அட்ரஸ், அது சொல்லலாம். கம்ப்ளைண்ட் எதுக்கு? ராங் அட்ரஸ் கம்ஸ், லெட்டர் கம்ஸ், திஸ் இஸ் நாட் அவர் அட்ரஸ், திஸ் இஸ் ராங் அட்ரஸ், கோ டு தட் ஹவுஸ், வி சே நோ. Similarly, these slokas are not for me to that. What is that? Fortunately, houses are far. That block, A block, B block, konja far. Distance is there. Door number is different. Inga door number is not different. I told you inseparable couple last week. Sonnana? ஞாபகம் இருக்க? Inseparable couple, Ahankara and Aham Sakshi Chaitanyam, both are together all the time. So door number is same. House is also same. In that house there are 2 partitions. நான் சும்மா சொல்கிறேன், நிஜமாக எடுத்துக்காதுங்க. பார்ட்டிஷன்ஸு 2 இருக்க, 2 பிளாக் ஏதோ சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கார் சுவாமின்னு கதை. உங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக தான். ஓகே, போத் ஆர் டுகெதர், இன்செப்பரபிள். யூ கேனாட் ஈவன் திங்க் ஆஃப் தேர் டிஸ்டன்ஸ். தெர் இஸ் நோ டிஸ்டன்ஸ் அட் ஆல் பிட்வீன் போத் ஆஃப் தெம். Intellectually you have to separate them. How you do intellectually? I am pure Sakshi Chaitanyam. I don't have any Vikshepa. Therefore Samadhi is not required. Vikshepa is possible only where there is mind. Ahankara has got mind. Ahankara has got Vikshepa. Ahankara needs Samadhi. Therefore I don't require Samadhi. This is called Parakashta. This is called Parakashta, means what? Climax. Sthira pragnata. That is called Dhridata. This is called highest knowledge. Until that time, do nididhyasanam. Saying this, practice and uttering these words also is a type of nididhyasanam. You can do that way also. Now we'll go to the next shloka. Videhaha. So Videha Mukti is ruled out. Now itself I am Videhaha. Where is the question of Videha Mukti? I am all pervading. So when I am all pervading, I am bodiless. Which I am? Which I have to take? Sakshi Chaitanya Aham. Not Ahankara I. You know that. No? You know very well. You are all ரொம்ப disciplined student, not talking. I know. 16th shloka. इत्येतद्यावदज्ञानम् तावत् कार्यं मम भवत् नित्यमुक्तस्य शुद्धस्य बुद्धस्य च सदा मम. Sadhana is required to prepare the ahankara. Samadhi abhyasa is required to recognize that samadhi abhyasa is not required. Sadhana is required for that ahankara. After that sadhana, nididhyasana sadhana, that ahankara recognize, it becomes enlightened ahankara, and that ahankara says, I need not do any more nididhyasana sadhana. Just like one example I used to say, that minor chain. One person wore that minor chain in his neck and went to a function. And after doing a lot of dance there, that minor chain has gone backside. Minor chain irka illiyane theriyadu. So it went back. So after coming home, he is searching, no chain is there. Again he rushed there. I lost my chain, I have lost my chain, please tell me where is it. Then that person said, see, chain is on your neck only. It has not gone anywhere, it is on your neck. Kantha chamikaran nyaya. You know that. Kantha chamikaran means chain. Kantha means neck. So that person says, chain is with you only. Yeah, it is with me. See, touch. It is gone backside to you. Then he saw chain is there. Now the running is required or not? Then he felt very shy, unnecessarily. I have taken lot of strain to run here, all the way I have come here. Is that running is required or not? No. You cannot say no. Running is required to know that running is not required. Therefore, to run, by running only he has come there, then only he come to know. Similarly, by doing nididhyasana abhyasa, shravana abhyasa, karma yoga sadhana is required to get chitta shuddhi in the ahankara. Similarly, upasana yoga sadhana is required to get chitta ekagrata. Chitta ekagrata prapyartham. Or chitta nairmalyam prapyartham. Karma yoga chitta ekagrata prapyartham. Upasana yoga sadhana. And ajnana nivrityartham shravana sadhana. Samshaya nivrityartham manana sadhana. Viparita bhavana nivrityartham nididhyasana sadhana, all are required. And that ahankara, enlightened ahankara, recognize one day, andanalum vandidado, that good auspicious day, one day comes, all these are not required, really speaking. Karma yoga is not required, upasana yoga is not required, Shravana Manana Nididhyasana also not required, because I am ever Atma Swarupam Shuddha Swarupam. Idi Ariyamal Teriyamal classukku poi odi classukku poi appuram oda venda purinjadi. For that you have to come to class. Running is required to recognize, running is not required. Study of Shastra, Karma Yoga, Upasana Yoga, Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam, all are required to recognize. These all are not required at all. They are only, because mind, ahankara has to be prepared. To understand, to get this enlightenment in ahankara, all these sadhanas are required for ahankara, not for Sakshi Chaitanyam. All these sadhanas are required for ahankara only. Therefore, sadhana is required for ahankara, then only ahankara recognize that they are all not required. Eppadi irukku? Idi kadai. But you now itself you cannot say. அதெல்லாம் தேவையே இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. யுவர் அஹங்காரா மஸ்ட் ஹாவ் தட் கெப்பாசிட்டி டு சேவ் ஒன் டே. இந்த நம்ம ஏகரூப ஈஸ்வரன்லேருந்து வெளியில் வரல, விஸ்வரூப ஈஸ்வரன்லேருந்து வெளியில் வரல. ஆசை அருமிங்கள் ஈசனோடாயினும் ஆசை அருமிங்கள்னா அம்மோ பயம்னா இன்னும் அதுலேருந்து வெளியில் வரலன்னா என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்னு பண்ணு சாதனை, படுமனமே படு, இன்னும் இரு சாதனைலாம் இரு, எத்தனை நாள் வேணுமோ அத்தனை நாள். டேக் யுவர் ஓன் டைம். ஆஃப்டர் ஆல் எனிஹவ் யூ ஆர் பிரம்மன். அந்த பிரம்மன் எங்கே போகிறதில்லை. யூ கெனாட் கோ. ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி பிரம்மன் கெனாட் கோ எனிவேர். என்ன ஆல் பர்வேடிங். therefore do sadhana as long as you want, but you are postponing that ananda, swarupa ananda, you are postponing in the sense means you are not able to claim aham brahmasmi now here itself, delaying. That is why do sadhanas fast and recognize there is no need of sadhana. That is why one of my talk previously in Guru Puja or Shivaratri talk 3-4 years back, seeker to seer, I said. Don't be as a seeker all the time. Sadhaka sadhaka sadhaka. அது ஒரு ஆனந்தம் சில பேருக்கு. நான் சாதகன். It is not great saying myself as sadhaka all the time. It is insult, really speaking. I am a seer. I am Atma Swarupam. I am no more a sadhaka. I need not be a sadhaka. After studying Gita, Upanishad, Brahma Sutra studying, I am going on and on studying this much time, still I am a sadhaka. And எப்படி இருக்கும்? Shankaracharya says, no. Iti etat means as long as etavat. Etat yavat ajnanam. Yavad ajnanam. As long as etat atma vishaya ajnanam. Etat means atma vishaya ajnanam is there. As long as you have this atma ajnanam, tavat karyam mama abhavat. Previously, as long as I had that ignorance, self-ignorance, I have to do that sadhanas I was doing previously. Karyam means karma yoga sadhanam, upasana yoga sadhanam, etc. Karyam sadhanam mama abhavat. I did that time. Now I have recognized, now enlightened ahankara. அந்த ஒரு சினிமாவில் ஒரே மோனோலாக் மாதிரி ஹீரோ டபுள் ஆக்ஷன், ஒரு டைலாக் இப்படி சொல்லுவா, அப்புறம் அந்த பக்கம் வந்து இன்னொரு டைலாக் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் அஹங்காரா இஸ் டாக்கிங், ஐ வாஸ் இக்னரண்ட் தோஸ் டேஸ் பிஃபோர் கம்மிங் டு ஸ்வாமினி கிளாஸ், ஐ வாஸ் இக்னரண்ட் தேர் இந்த மாதிரி இந்த ஆக்ஷன் எல்லாம் பண்ணணும். I was ignorant, I was thinking, therefore I did Ravana Manana Nididhyasan. Now I am Swamini student, I know I am Sakshi Chaitanyam, now I need not do. Why? I am Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swarupaha. Second line. இந்த பக்கம் வந்தாச்சு, இந்த பிளாக். இது enlightened அகங்காரா. நான் என்லைட்டன்ட் அகங்காரா பாவம் கஷ்டப்பட்டு என்ன எத்தனை புக்கு வாங்கி எத்தனை சிடி வாங்கி அந்த அகங்காரா பாவம். ஓகே, நித்திய முக்தஸ்ய ஐ ஆம் நித்திய முக்தா, எவர் ஃப்ரீ ஐ ஆம், எவர் என்லைட்டன்ட் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம் நான். சுத்தஸ்ய ஐ ஆம் வெரி பியோர், சதா சுத்தஸ்ய சதா முக்தஸ்ய. நித்யமுக்தः மீன்ஸ் சதா முக்தः, நித்யமுக்தः அஹம். சுத்தஸ்ய லைக் ஸ்பேஸ் ஐ ஆம் பியோர், சதா சுத்தஸ்ய. புத்தஸ்ய ஐ ஆம் ஆஃப் த நேச்சர் ஆஃப் சைத்தன்யம், புத்தஸ்ய சதா புத்தஸ்ய. ஐதி ஆத்மா சாட்சி சைத்தன்யம் ஹேஸ் காட் இக்னரன்ஸ் ப்ரீவியஸ்லி என்று சொல்லுவேளே. In Sakshi Chaitanyam, ignorance is not possible. It is ever self-evident consciousness. Sada Buddha, Sada Jnana Swarupam, Sada Shuddha Swarupam. It cannot have any association with any impurity. Sakshi Chaitanyam, that is my real nature. Mama, to me, నిత్యముక్తస్య మమ నిత్యశుద్ధస్య మమ నిత్యబుద్ధస్య మమ సదా నిత్యబుద్ధః ఏతావత్ కార్యం నాస్తి ఇదానీం మమ అభవత్. మై పాస్ట్ హిస్టరీ, దట్ ఈస్ మై పాస్ట్ హిస్టరీ. పాస్ట్ హిస్టరీ మీన్స్ వాట్? 20 years back, 10 years back, when I was studying in the beginning, initial stages. Yes or no? சொல்லிக்கிறேன் நான். ஆமாம், எஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுங்க, அப்போதான் ஆனந்தம். ஓகே, ஸோ this preparedness is required for ahankara only. So I understand there is no necessity of any sadhana for me. Next shloka 17. Samadhirva samadhirva karyam chanyat kuto bhavet mam hi dhyatva cha buddhva cha మన్యంతే కృతకృత్యతాం. వెరీ నైస్ శ్లోక. ఆచార్య రెవెలింగ్, ఎంజాయింగ్ ఇన్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఆత్మస్వరూపం. యు సీ, సమాధిర్వా అసమాధిర్వా అన్యత్ కార్యం కుతో భవేత్. సమాధి, సమాధి అభ్యాస, ధ్యానం. Here samadhi means dhyanam or nididhyasanam. Samadhirva asamadhirva, thoughtful state. Asamadhi means practicing thinking, all the time thinking, opposite to non-thinking. Thinking, opposite to absorption. Samadhi means absorption, one pointedness without any thoughts. Asamadhi means a thoughtful state, thinking state. Both of them, kutaha bhavet karyam anyat kutaha bhavet, how that action, kutaha bhavet, how there can be any samadhi or asamadhi, they are not required. How can there be these two, samadhi and asamadhi? Why? మాం హి ధ్యాత్వా హి బుద్ధ్వా చ. ఐది సాక్షి చైతన్యం నెవర్ రిక్వైర్ ఎనీ సమాధి ఆర్ అసమాధి, బికాస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ మెడిటేటింగ్ అపాన్ మీ ఓన్లీ. ఐది సాక్షి చైతన్యం నీడ్ నాట్ డూ ఎనీ మెడిటేషన్ బికాస్ ఆల్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ మెడిటేటింగ్ అబౌట్ మీ ఓన్లీ, అపాన్ మీ ఓన్లీ. హూ ఈస్ సేయింగ్? అహంకార ఓన్లీ టెల్లింగ్. Which ahankara? What type of ahankara? Enlightened ahankara. Enlightened ahankara is called lightened ahankara, relaxed ahankara. That ahankara is telling wise ahankara. Wise ahankara. Can you say Sakshi Chaitanyam is wise? You cannot say. Sakshi Chaitanyam neither wise nor otherwise. Ahankara can be wise also, otherwise also. Now otherwise some ahankara has become wise. Now this wise enlightened ahankara is talking, claiming that Sakshi Chaitanyam is my real nature. Aidi Sakshi Chaitanyam is the one who is meditated by all people. Atma Dhyanam all are doing upon me. I need not do any Atma Dhyanam. Atma need not do any Atma Dhyanam. All people are doing dhyanam upon me. எப்படி இருக்க வேர்ட்ஸ் கன்ஃபியூஷனா இல்லை? ஐதி ஆத்மா need not to do dhyanam upon myself because all people are doing meditation upon me alone. Why I have to do meditation upon myself? All otherwise people are meditating upon me only. Mam dhyatva. They are doing nididhyasanam, they are contemplating. All of them are what? Otherwise people. That otherwise people are going to become wise later. So first dhyatva, then buddhva. They do nididhyasanam and they understand buddhva. That ahankara is expressing. I am Atma Chaitanyam. I need not do meditation upon myself. Really speaking, all Ajnanis are doing meditation upon me. Mam Dhyatva. Then they are all recognizing me. I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, need not know myself. Why? I am ever knowledge Swarupam. So those who are not having knowledge, they only have to do meditation. So Buddha and knowing me, they are all knowing me. They are all knowing me. In the dialogue, they are all knowing me. Buddha, then what? Buddha, kritakrityatam manyante. All those people, those are doing sadhana, that Upadesa Sahasri students. They are all listening to Upadesa Sahasri. They are all doing meditation. That Swamini takes meditation class, Nididhyasanam, before the class. And they are meditating upon me, the Sakshi Chaitanyam only. And they are knowing the Sakshi Chaitanyam, Buddha. And they say, I am accomplished. Kritakrityatam manyante. They consider, yes, we have accomplished the fact, the statement. This is called a fact, a statement of fact. I am Atma Swarupam, Kritakrityatam manyante. They are meditating upon me. Means, meditating means you have to, they are doing karma yoga for my sake, to accomplish, to arrive at me. They are doing upasana also to arrive at me. They are listening to Shastra also to arrive at me. They are doing Mananam also to arrive at me. They are doing Nididhyasanam also to arrive at me only. Having done all that Buddha, they have understood. Then what they say? Kritakrityatam. I am accomplished. I am fulfilled. I am Purnaha. I have come to Shastra. I have done what has to be done. Kritakrityatam manyante. By knowing me. Then why I have to do meditation? Sakshi Chaitanya. Adella ahankara problem. And the veetla problem. Ennada veetla problem illa. And the veet problem. Next sloka. Are you enjoying the slokas? Just the same teaching. There is no much teaching here. Just Nididhyasana. My own glory. I am just praising myself. Who is talking all these things? See, Mam hi jatva buddhva cha kritakrityatam manyante. All these dialogues are whose dialogues? Ahankara. Ahankara is talking. Ahankara is talking. Sakshi Chaitanya cannot talk. Sakshi Chaitanya cannot talk. Ahankara alone is enjoying. Ittannaad ache piche irundha. I was thinking I am ordinary wife, husband, samsari, problem. Now only I have understood I am adhishtanam of this universe. Who says? Ahankara, enlightened Ahankara. Enlightened Ahankara. Rendume naneda. Bhavamum nane, patam, pata nane. Ellame naneda. So, adi madri. So, this is the glory. Manyante kritakrityatam. Next, 18th shloka. Aham brahmasmi sarvosmi. Shuddho buddhosmyatah sada. Ajas sarvata evaham. Ajaraschakshayo-mritah. Aham Brahma asmi. Simple. I am Brahman only. I alone am. Sarvaha asmi. I am alone. Mattah parataran nanyati kinchidasti dhananjaya. There is nothing other than me, Arjuna. When Krishna said like that, Lakshartha, Paramartha, Chaitanyam. There is nothing other than me. Can you say that now or not? I am. everything. There is nothing other than me really. That what me is that me. Sakshi Chaitanyam. As ahankara me you cannot say. Clear? Therefore, aham brahma asmi, sarvaha asmi, I am everything. I am everything. I am pure, shuddhaha asmi, buddhaha, I am chaitanya swarupam, buddhaha asmi. Ataha, therefore, sada, sada you have to supply for all. Sada aham brahma asmi, sarvaha asmi, shuddhaha asmi, sada buddhaha asmi, sada ajaha, I am always birthless. Birth is only to this body, not to me. Sarvataha eva aham, I am all pervading, I am infinite. Sarvataha, I am all pervading. Aham ajaraha, old ageless, I am old ageless. Who is in old age home? Not Sakshi Chaitanyam. Ahankara, body, mind complex only in old age home. I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, am sarvataha asmi, ajaraha. Then akshayaha, I am of the nature of imperishable nature I am. I never perish. Atmanyevacha samtushtaha, tasya karyam na vidyate. There is nothing to accomplish further. Akshayaha, amritaha, I am immortal, I am imperishable. Madanya sarva bhuteshu bodha kaschinna vidyate karmadhyakshascha sakshi cha cheta nityo gunodvayah. Madanyah sarvabhuteshu bodha kaschina na vidyate. Na vidyate, there is no one. Bodha, primary illuminator other than me, there is no any other illuminator. Even that secondary illuminator also blessed by me only. Where is the secondary illuminator ahankara without me? Therefore I am the only bodha. I am only the knower. Bodha. Where? Sarva bhuteshu, in all beings. Madanyaha kaschit na vidyate. There is no one other than me. There are many mirrors. Many reflections are there. As many mirrors, so many reflections. What you can say when you are standing there, your face reflections are there, 100 reflections in 100 mirrors. You can say what? Madanyaha kopi na asti. There is no second one other than me. Then I will ask you, you the foolish one, there is no one, second one. See, 100 faces are there, 100 people are there. Then what do you say? They are all not real. I am only real. Where are they without me? Will you say or not? Will you say or not? 100 mirrors are there, 100 faces are there. You are standing there. You say, no one is there other than me. All are appearing, 100 faces are none other than me alone. They are not real. Similarly, the whole world is a kannadi. For Atma, the whole world is like a mirror. Everywhere that whatever you are seeing, experiencing, everything is the reflection of Atma Chaitanya. The easiness everywhere. That is my reflection only. They are all what? They are all not there really. They are not there really. Adi Puriyarthi Swamini, example is nice, but here you take the pot example. Is there a pot? No pot. There is no object at all really in the world. It is a vacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam. Therefore, there is no object at all. Whatever you are thinking, your object, there is no such an object in the world at all. Really speaking. Meditate upon that now. Meditate upon that. There is no second thing. Advayaha, secondless I am. Ipudani Sunnayana Swami, inseparable couple. After saying inseparable couple, how can you say Advayaha? Ardhanarishwara. One, that Maya, Ahankara Chidabhasa is not real. It doesn't have its own satta. Madanyaha sarvabhuteshu bodha kaschita na vidyate. Why? Karmadhyakshaha aham sakshi cheta. Svetashvatara Upanishad, 6th chapter, 11th mantra. Eko devas sarvabhuteshu godhaha. Karmadhyakshaha sarvabhutantaratma sakshi cheta kevalo nirgunascha. So, Karmadhyakshaha, I am the one who is the witnesser of blessing the karma phala, data karma adhyakshaha, witnesser of all the karmas. I bless all the activities. Atyartha. Karmadhyakshaha means what? Any activity, anywhere it is going on means I am blessing the ahankara by giving, lending cheta, consciousness, after lending the chaitanyam to the ahankara, and I make the ahankara to do activities. That's why I am karmadhyakshaha. Sakshi, I am the witnesser of that activities of that ahankara, which ahankara is blessed by me through reflection. That reflected consciousness is my blessing to the mind. In that mind, I bless. Bless means just my presence. The reflection is all there, takes place in that mind. And that Chidabhasa makes the mind active. That mind makes the sense organs active. That sense organs goes outwards and do actions. What actions? What not? Eating, sleeping, walking, drinking, talking, running, jumping, all actions. Karmadhyaksha, I am the witnesser of that ahankara. I blessed the ahankara with cheta. I am the cheta. I am the sakshi. I am the karmadhyaksha. Who is telling? Ahankara is telling. What type of ahankara? Enlightened ahankara. Enlightened ahankara talking about whom? Sakshi Chaitanyam. Ahankara recognized, I am blessed by Sakshi Chaitanyam. Ahankara, I am not real. It knows. Then that ahankara is a beautiful ahankara. So sweet. So sweet ahankara that is. You can embrace that ahankara. Wonderful ahankara. And the ahankara irinda namakku ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் இல்லையா? சேதா நித்யஹா அகுணஹா அத்வயஹா. I am nityaha, ever existent principle. Nityaha. Agunaha, gunaless, no attributes at all. Agunaha. Advayaha, secondless. I am the witness consciousness who is blessing the ahankara to do all actions by mere presence. By my mere presence. இப்படி சொல்றதுக்கு அகங்காரம் வேணுமா வேண்டாமா? பாபம் சும்மா சாட்சி சைத்தன்யம் ஒண்ணுமே பேச முடியாது. அபாணி பாதம், அச்சிந்திய ரூபம். So ahankara is a blessing. Understand? It's a boon. Ahankara can exist without physical body. It cannot exist. Therefore, physical body is also required. Physical body is also required. Thank you. Physical body. Which physical body helping me the ahankara sukshma sariram to exist? Which sukshma sariram is ahankara is helping me to recognize I am Sakshi Chaitanyam. So the Sakshi Chaitanyam is manifesting through the subtle body. Which body is existing in gross body? So you, the gross body, mind, both are nothing but they are the instruments of Sakshi Chaitanyam. இப்படி போகணும். எனக்கு ஒரு ஆத்மா இருக்க உள்ளன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. I am Atma operating this, making use of this body mind complex. I am the master. Mind is my instrument. Ahankara. This is the way you have to live. This is called living intelligently. Otherwise means otherwise. Okay. Next shloka. Na satchaham na cha satcham no bhayam kevala shivaham na me sandhya na ratrirvam नाहर्वा सर्वदा दृशेः. Very nice. Acharya is saying these visible three elements, Agni, Apaha, Prithvi, three elements, Murta Prapancha. Amurtam, invisible two elements, Akasha, Vayu. They are Amurtam, invisible elements. I am neither visible elements nor invisible elements. Sat, asat. Murtam api na aham, amurtam api na. Body is made out of murta, murtam. Three elements are visible, two elements are not visible. Satchaham na, asatchaham api na. Murta, murtam, vilakshanam aham. Ubhayam api na. Sadasat, Murta Murtam mixed can I be? No. I am not even Murta Murtam also. I am not Murtam, I am not Amurtam, I am not Murta Murtam. That means what? I am not the body-mind complex. Simple. Kevalaha means Advayaha, Sakshi, Shivaha, Turiya Atma. Shantam Shivam Advaitam Chaturtham Manyante Sa Atma Savigneyaha Shivam. Shiva means Lord, not Lord Shiva, Maharatri, Shiva, Shivaratri. Shivaratri Shiva illa. Shiva means here Turiya Atma. Kevalaha, pure, secondless. Kevala means secondless. Shivaha, Shant Shivaha, Mangala Shivaha, Turiya Chaitanyam. Name Sandhya. Name Sandhya means in between two. Ratri, night and day, joining time is called Sandhya. Dusk and dawn. Dawn and dusk. Okay. Dawn and dusk, Sandhya, I am not. Ratri, I am not. Night is not there for me. Day is not there for me. In between also not there. Another interpretation is Sandhya means Swapna. I am free from Swapna Avastha. Ratri means Sushupti Avastha. I am free from Sushupti Avastha. Ahaha means Jagrad Avastha. I am free from Jagrad Avastha. Jagrad Swapna Sushuptis Spotatara Ya Samvit Vijrumbhate. I am Avasthatraya Vilakshana Sakshi Chaitanyam. That's why one person said, I am not doing any ritual. எனக்கு இது வந்தது என்ன சொல்லுவேன், தீட்டு, எனக்கு தீட்டு வந்ததுன்னா ஏன்னா அந்த ஸ்லோகம் சேஸ் மிருதா மோகமயி மாதா. Moha is my mother, she died. And Jataha Jnanamayaha Sutaha. Kolande, boy is born to me, therefore, because of two reasons I am not doing any rituals, any puja, anything. Because any Sandhya Vandanam I am not able to do because of this tit. Mohamayi Mata Mruta. Mruta Mohamayi Mata Jataha Jnanamayaha Sutaha. Ashaucha Dvayam Samprapte. These two Ashaucham have come to me. Ashaucham cha, Ashaucha द्वयं संप्राप्ते कथं संध्याम् उपास्महे. How can I do சந்தியாவந்தனம்? தீட்டு வந்ததப்பா, சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ண முடியாது. மத்தியான சந்தியா, சாயம் சந்தியா, பிராத்த சந்தியா I can't do. மோக மிருதா மோகமயி மாதா. Therefore I cannot do சந்தியாவந்தனம். ஜாதஹ சுத, ஞானமய சுத, ஞானம்ங்கிற பையன் பிறந்தான். Once Maya gone, Mohini, and Jnanam Sutta has come, இந்த ரெண்டு தீட்டுனால சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ண முடியல அண்ணா. Means no ritual is required for that person. அது தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு ritual வேணும். Sadhanas are required to know that I don't require any sadhana. Without sadhanas, you can never recognize that sadhanas are not required. That is the essence of this slokas. You recognize that these are all sadhanas are not there in me, the Sakshi Chaitanyam. But at the same time, don't take like that. Sadhanas are required for ahankara to claim this status. Until that you follow sadhanas. Go and do puja. Don't stop your puja. Okay. Dhyanam and all, do that. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.